What an incredible week of transformation. Let's celebrate everything you've conquered. Amazing work. You've officially made the leap from visual blocks to real programming code. Look at this incredible journey we took together. We discovered Thani as our Python workshop, mastered the magical print function, learned that every single character matters, understood that Python reads code like a story from top to bottom, and unlocked the crucial difference between text with quotes and numbers without quotes. What a transformation! Here are the 4 essential patterns that now live in your programmer brain. Text messages wrapped in quotes, numbers standing proud without quotes, math expressions that Python calculates instantly, and empty print statements for perfect spacing. You've mastered the foundation of all programming. Mind-blowing fact alert. The print patterns you just learned are used by professional developers, building apps, games, and websites all around the world. You're using real programmer skills. Get ready for something absolutely amazing next week. We're learning about variables. We'll discover how to make Python remember information and create truly interactive programs. The adventure is just getting started. What an absolutely epic week of learning. You successfully mastered the incredible transition from Scratch blocks to Python text, discovered that print is your most powerful programming tool, learned the crucial rule that text needs quotes but numbers don't, understood that Python reads code like a story from top to bottom, and even learned to write helpful comments for humans. Next week brings variables and memory. You're officially a Python programmer now.